Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons onto your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for craft theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. Now the first step is you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. You just click on it and you will be getting a zip file. Once you are extracting that zip file, you will be getting these 4 files. Open documentation.txt. I have already documented all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. The first step is like go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code and open snippets. So let's go to the dashboard. Here you can see I have installed craft theme. Click on these 3 dots and click on duplicate first, because you have to duplicate this theme so that if you are making any mistake, then you can roll it back to its original version. Once you've done that, then you should click on edit code, and here you will be having some files and folders. Click on snippets. Now the next step is create a new snippet, PayPal-smart-buttons. Copy this name and click on add a new snippet and paste that name here and click on done. Once you have created that empty file, then you should paste the attached code into the new snippet file. So here we have attached code PayPal with credit-card. So I'm going to copy this complete code from here and paste it right here and then click on save. The next step is add below event in quantity input, but find that using this class. Actually you should copy this class name and open man-product.liquid. So here we have sections, open it, scroll it down, we have man-product.liquid, and inside of it, using Control F or maybe Command F, you should search this quantity __ input. Actually this is the quantity input element, and we have to paste a new line of code, which is this one. Copy it and just above it we are going to paste it and then click on save. Now the next step is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually we have PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid file, and inside of it we have line number 8. So I have already added live client ID of my sandbox account, that is for the testing purpose. So you should add actual PayPal client ID, which must be the live one. I have already added a video link below in the description. You should quickly watch that video. From that video you will able to find live client ID of your PayPal and then paste it right here. Make sure that this client ID should be enclosed inside of double quotes. You can also change the currency of your store. For example, I have added US dollars. If you have euro, you can add it EUR, or maybe any other currency, you can add the currency code. Next step is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in the line number 9. So actually we have to preview the store first. So we are going to home page, then click on any of the product, but for that I have to go to catalog. Here we have some products, for example this one, click on it and we have this man product page actually. So right click on this quantity input, click on inspect and scroll it down, and you can see that this is an input element. If you don't find this, then you can click on this selector and click on this quantity, and you will automatically be landing to input element. So here we have to copy this ID and then paste it inside of line number 9. So I am going to paste right here and then click on save. The next step is go to assets, open global.js and find below line of code. So we need to go to assets, open global.js, and here we need to find a line of code, which is this one. Copy this. Actually this is a function, and using Control F or maybe Command F, it will be highlighted here. So this is the definition actually. So we need to paste a new line of code here. So actually this is the line of code which we are going to paste it right here. So make sure that this function is starting from here and ending at here. Just above it we are going to paste new line of code and then click on save. Once you have done that, then you should go to the second step. Now the 7th step is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So we need to go to the dashboard of our store again, click on customize, click on this drop down and click on products, and here we will be having default product. So here we have the complete structure of our product information. You can see product information. We have to create a custom HTML, click on add block, and we have custom.liquid, and inside of this box we have to paste this line of code, which is this one. So copy it and then paste it right here, and you should move this custom liquid just below buy buttons, and then you should also save these changes, and then you have to click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you will see that PayPal smart buttons are reflecting on the right hand side. So in some cases you don't want this buy it now button. So how you can hide it? You should click on buy buttons, click on uncheck this checkbox, and then click on save. So in that way the buy now button will be removed and PayPal smart buttons will remain. So let's see on the front end that how it will show. So here you can see that we have PayPal button with debit or credit card button also. So now we are interested to cross check this price inside of this PayPal button so that we get to know that these prices are coming correctly. Click on this PayPal button. I am going to log into my sandbox account of the PayPal for the testing purpose only, and here you should click on this price. You can see that one woman undershirt and color is red and the price is $44. So that means the information is coming correctly. So next thing is, like for example, I am increasing the quantity. So let's see the quantity increment is updating the price or not. So you can see that we have two women undershirts with red color and $88. So that means this is also working fine. Now the last thing we are going to confirm is the color variant. So for example, I am selecting rose, click on PayPal, and now let's see if it is updating the color variant or not. So here we go. Now you can see that we have rose color variant, one woman undershirt, and price is $45. So that means the information is passed correctly into the PayPal buttons. So if your customers don't have the PayPal account, then they can click on debit or credit card. So it will open up a form where they can enter their credit card or maybe debit card details, and then they can put billing address and shipping address also, and then click on pay now, and in that way they can actually purchase the product using their credit or debit card button. Alright, so one more thing is, like for example, sometime you don't want this yellow button, you only want to keep this black button. So how you can do that? I have already attached the code which is only credit card. So you should open this file, copy this complete code and replace the existing code with this. So I have removed the code, and make sure to update this quantity ID and PayPal live client ID and store currency, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can refresh the page again, and now you can see that the yellow button has been removed and only debit or credit card button will be here. So the PayPal button is not showing because the ID is not updated. So I need to copy this input ID again and paste it right here, and then click on save. And then you can actually refresh the page again, and you will see that button which is debit or credit card button. So yellow button has been removed now. So for now I am going to undo the changes because I already want PayPal button also. So let's save the changes with the old code and refresh it again, and you will see yellow button and credit card button also. You can also see its preview in the mobile view. So you can see that how the buttons are looking in your mobile view. So this is looking beautiful. So these are the things which I have already done in my other themes also. So make sure if you have any problem with that, you can ask me below in the comment section. Definitely I will be helping you out in that. And if you have any other theme, then you can suggest me. I will definitely create a video for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.